Guys, welcome back to another quick video. This is a tire gauge, tire pressure gauge, and we're going to go ahead and check the pressure in these tires. When you open the door to your car, you'll see right here where it says the front tire should have been 49, rear tire 49 psi, and the spare tire 33. These aren't stock tires, so these are upgraded tires. So it says the cold max PSI, when you check them when they're cold, is 65. So the reason why you want to check these tires in the morning when it's cooler is because as it heats up, the molecules start moving around, kinetic energy, and the pressure is going to read higher in the tire. So you want to check them when it's cold in the morning. So before we do this, you'll see the marks on here. And you'll see, okay, 40, 50, and then every mark in between, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Start off by clearing this off, and we're gonna get on the gauge. And it's showing 54, 56. So it's showing about 54, 56. So that's how it would be. You would just clear this out. You would check all four tires. So I got 56 on this back tire. You want to do this in the morning. Do them when they're cold. If you like the video, like, subscribe. I will put this in the description where you can buy one of these. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.